Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So as you can see here, I have this brand new WINIX air purifier with a plasma wave that I got from Costco recently, and I know they have had this for a long time, I think, but I just got it because I already have a bigger one in my living room, but I really needed one for my bedroom. So I thought this is a perfect size, and this one cost me about, I would say, $130 if I'm not wrong. The price might be lower right now. I don't know, but it's been like a few weeks now. So I just wanted to come here and talk a little about this filter here. And yeah, all right. The first thing is this purifier comes with two filters, physical filters, and I've already placed one and I've already used it actually. So it's actually running right now. So if you see, here are the settings. Very simple. If you can hear that noise, that's the lowest setting that I have in auto. And there's like 4 more settings here. So if you click on that, yeah, this arrow right here, I'll just move the settings that are going to change. So that's that. And that's the night mode on. There's also a night mode, which is like very, very, very quiet, but I just leave it as at auto because that kind of helps me fall asleep as well. Okay, I just turned it off. I don't know why, but I'm going to turn it on. And there's also a light setting here. If you just click on it, it will just change the settings, that like that. So that's very simple. So I'll leave it as auto. And this P stands for the plasma wave. So the physical filter inside is going to catch all the particles, but the plasma wave technology is going to catch whatever is left in the air, meaning it's an electronic process. You can Google it, but long story short, it is going to be very helpful if you have, smokers in the house or while you're cooking, all the smoke, and also especially with your pets. I have 2 dogs, and yeah, one of them is here, so they shed a lot, and also they're like small dusty hair particles that I can barely see, and I have started having some allergies issue. So that's also one of the reasons that why I got this air purifier. This also has a child lock if in case you have kids in the house. And yeah, I just showed you the setting, and it can also be connected via Wi-Fi here if you have the setting, but I'll be home all day, so I don't need that. So I haven't installed an app for this one, and I don't think I'm going to. So yeah, pretty much it's been like few days that I've installed, and I can come back in maybe a few months because actually the color of this here right now, it's blue, so it's working. So if it's red, then the filter, I need to change the filter, right? So whenever I need to change the filter, I'll come back. And yeah, that's about it. So far I've liked it, and it does not make a lot of noise, and it's very as like I said, you can change the settings here. Yeah, but I don't know why would, yeah, when you first get this filter, it comes the filter actually is already installed inside, so you just have to take it out, and it will be a plastic here, and you just have to take the plastic out, and also you have to put this lid, or no, sorry, put this cap back and then place it back. And then it comes with an extra, so far you can see like these particles here. Yeah. You just lock it and then place it back. Oops. All right, so that's about it. Actually, nothing much to talk about this little purifier. And again, the physical filter inside is HEPA and carbon filter, so it's very good. Normally you like to get a HEPA filter for yourself, especially with pets and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe. And I'm trying to grow my channel here to at least 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, and don't forget to like as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.